beginners and professionals in 2025. In 2025, the world of drones continues to evolve at a rapid pace, offering something for everyone from first-time pilots to seasoned professionals. Whether you're looking to capture breathtaking aerial footage, conduct surveys, or simply explore the skies, the market is brimming with options tailored to various needs and budgets. Here's a guide to help you choose the best drones for beginners and professionals this year. Top drones for beginners. 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Compact, lightweight, and packed with advanced features, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is a top pick for beginners. Weighing under 250 grams, it avoids many regulatory hurdles while delivering 4K video, obstacle avoidance, and an impressive 40-minute flight time. Its intuitive controls and beginner-friendly tutorials make it perfect for those new to drones. And 2. Rise Tello. For those on a budget, the Rise Tello offers a fun and an educational experience. Powered by DJI technology, it boasts stable flight performance, a 5-megapixel camera, and compatibility with coding programs like Scratch, allowing users to learn programming while flying. 3. Holystone HS. This mid-range drone strikes a balance between affordability and functionality. It features a 4K camera with image stabilization, GPS-assisted flight, and a robust build, making it an excellent choice for beginners ready to explore more advanced features. Top drones for professionals. 1. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. A powerhouse in the professional drone market, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro features a triple-camera system, including a Hasselblad main camera, capable of shooting 5.1K video. With a flight time of 46 minutes, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and advanced editing tools, it's ideal for filmmakers and photographers. Autel Robotics Evo Light Plus. This drone stands out for its low-light performance, thanks to its large 1-inch CMOS sensor. It offers 6K video resolution, a long 40-minute flight time, and adjustable aperture settings, making it a favorite among videographers and surveyors. 3. Skydio 2 Plus. For professionals focused on autonomous flight, the Skydio 2 Plus is a game-changer. Its advanced AI allows it to navigate complex environments with ease, making it perfect for inspections, mapping, and action sports cinematography. 4. Parrot Anafi USA. Designed for industrial and governmental use, the Parrot Anafi USA is a rugged drone equipped with a 32x zoom camera, FLIR thermal imaging, and military-grade encryption. It's a go-to choice for search and rescue missions and security operations. Key considerations when choosing a drone. 1. Purpose. Define whether you'll use the drone for casual flying, photography, filmmaking, or industrial applications. 2. Budget. Beginners can find quality drones under $500, while professionals may invest upwards of $2,000 for advanced features. 3. Regulations. Ensure compliance with local drone laws, especially for drones over 250 grams. 4. Flight features. Look for features like GPS, obstacle avoidance, and intelligent flight modes for a smoother experience. Conclusion. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned professional, 2025 offers an array of drones that cater to your needs. Beginners will appreciate the simplicity and affordability of models like the DJI Mini 4 Pro and Rise Tello, while professionals can harness the cutting-edge technology of the DJI Mavic 3 Pro or Skydio 2 Plus. The right drone can elevate your skills and unlock a new perspective on the world. Literally. Choose wisely and let your aerial adventures take flight.